A major altcoin signal has just confirmed, showing that we are on the precipice of an insane markup period for altcoins that could last over the next few months. So strap in, it's going to be a wild episode, and we got some crazy information to share. So first and foremost, it's this. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is the key signal to watch here. This is the weekly chart. Look at this bad boy. It has been grinding higher in this rising wedge pattern for a very long time. Okay, all the way since, gosh, mid-2022. It's absolutely nuts. Bitcoin dominance has slowly been grinding higher. Pessimism on altcoins has been extremely high. Unsurprising, considering everything that's gone on over the last 2 years. But tides are shifting, okay? And while it may not seem like a lot, this right here marks the end of that uptrend period, okay? So you can see the trend has been maintained for a very long time until now. The weekly candle has just confirmed a big move under, okay? A big move under there. Now, does that mean Bitcoin dominance is going to zero? No, obviously not, right? But it could drop 20%, for example. The technical target from this is about 10% or so lower, but it could go 20% down or something as altcoins absolutely rage higher. The key thing to note is that the trend has been broken. The Bitcoin dominance trend has been broken. And that gives a lot of room for altcoins to finally be able to breathe and to start moving higher. Very critical thing here. Watching this Bitcoin dominance finally falter after an absolutely epic run. Also this, Matthew Hyland shared this, Bitcoin dominance first monthly bearish engulfing candle since November 2021, essentially showing bearish momentum. Hard to use the word bearish when it comes to dominance charts, right? But it's technically a bearish candle. I guess bearish if you're optimistic on the dominance of Bitcoin up. Not that it really matters, right? The price of Bitcoin, here's the crazy thing. The price of Bitcoin can go from $100,000 to $200,000, and the dominance could actually fall during that time, assuming, of course, that altcoins simply can outperform during that period. That's the key, sticky, and tricky part here, okay? So that's what we need to understand. But Bitcoin dominance is falling, and that's great for altcoins. I want to show you some more altcoin charts, but just real quick, if you are looking for a great place to trade cryptocurrency coins, check out BitUnix. These guys are offering no KYC trading, okay? So you can come over here, get involved, get started, and have all your privacy maintained while you're trading. No KYC. And here's the kicker for this deal. They've got an insane deposit bonus going on and an insane trading volume bonus going on as well. So if you deposit $2,000 or more, you're gonna get $200 back for free, which is an insane deposit bonus. And of course, if you deposit $500, you get 50 back, and so on and so forth. And you can get up to 6 Solana. That's right, up to 6 damn Solana in trading volume bonuses. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Absolutely huge, huge deal going on over at BitUnix right now. How you participate, use the link down below in the description. It's right down here. Click on that link. That's step 1. Step 2, deposit your $2,000 or more. Step 3, start trading. Get all your bonuses. It's a limited time offer. It's only good for a few more days, so go check it out. Thank you very much for using that link. So, Alex Becker here, chiming in saying, Ethereum has not yet hit an all-time high. AI coins just returned to their bear market highs. 90% of alts not even close to their all-time highs. Bear market PTSD is apparent despite every metric pointing to up. Agreed. Now look at this. This is the XRP chart. It's up 300% or something the last few weeks. We are starting to see major movements across altcoins. Like a lot of the old retail guys downloaded Coinbase app a few weeks ago and they just bought the coins they already had, they knew about. They didn't look at anything. Oh, what I'm going to buy here? I'll buy some XRP and Cardano because that's what I had last cycle. Max bid. It's been nuts. But even with all the relentless insanity of XRP, it's still not back to its all-time high. Think about how crazy that is. It's been relentlessly just grinding higher. It's been wild, a wild run for XRP. Still not back at all-time highs. Things like Aptos, new shiny coin, hot tech. just starting to break out beyond key resistance. Lots of opportunity left in the market. I want you to understand that, okay? As Bitcoin dominance starts breaking down, it hasn't fully broken down, it's only starting to break down. This is a moment when there's a golden moment of massive opportunity here for investors, okay? You need to understand that. The crypto prof here, Mr. Mustache himself, Il Crypto Prof, over on X, he said, friendly reminder, the most bullish cross for altcoins could happen in 2 days' time, which happened. If that happens, we'll see at least 2021 again, IMO, more likely 2017. This is insane. So the 1 month chart for the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin, this is a massive, massive bull cross right here. And of course, you can see on the chart the last time that we got this kind of bull cross happen, that we saw the total market cap of all crypto coins, excluding Bitcoin, surge from $200 billion all the way up to $1.3 trillion. That's a similar opportunity that we're looking at right now, where the price of all crypto assets combined is going to surge from, well, the current about trillion plus dollars, but was actually getting back close to previous highs here. From the current trillion plus up to a lot more. This is excluding BTC. I prefer the total 3, which excludes Ethereum as well, because Ethereum is really not an altcoin these days, is it? Anyway, regardless, it's going to go way, way higher. Okay, now is it going to be the exact same repeat of this 2021 run? No, but it might be more similar than you think. Another one here from El Crypto Prof, the Mustache Man. He said, take a look at previous cycles. If you think that altcoins are done here, you're wrong. So anyway, I completely agree, man. I completely agree. If you think the gains are done, you're wrong. I agree. By the way, go follow El Crypto Prof here. He's completely right, guys. We've had this massive accumulation period, and for the first time in 4 years, crypto's very, very exciting. I mean, crypto's always fun, right? But this is like, holy shit, it's time for big money to be made in the market in a very short amount of time over the next 3, 6, 12 months if we're super lucky, okay? This is the total 3, so this excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, I prefer the total 3 here. I understand some people just like to use the total 2, which just excludes Bitcoin. Anyway, whatever. So this actually just came back up to retest this right here. You can see resistance, 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 resistance taken out. So this is the $1 trillion mark, and I know we're currently in the process of retesting that here. Last weekly candle did close above it. Let's see what this current weekly candle can do. But a major move here has happened for the total cap of all crypto coins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, only 15% higher, and we have new high breakouts for all altcoins combined. That is the kind of move that when it happens, like it happened back here, that when it happens, we see huge markups following. This is the breakout and markup period for altcoins beginning. They lag behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin breaks out first. Bitcoin has its markup period first. Then altcoins follow, often in a very dramatic way, to be honest. This is the total market cap, excluding the top 10. So this is the others chart, also on a major, major breakout here. It's what's interesting to note. Look at this. The RSI hasn't even got overbought yet. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Despite all of that, we were so far down. We were in so much pain for such a long time. We haven't even got overbought yet, man. That's crazy. Anyway, look at this. Downtrend, starting all the way back here in the peak of 2021. Okay, we've got our second peak here in 24. Guess what? That downtrend line was broken last week. Higher, higher, dramatically higher for a wide variety of your altcoin bags. Even the old coins, man, fundamentals don't fucking matter anymore. Nobody cares. Okay? Oh, who cares? You only have a few $100 million total value locked, but a market cap of $30-40 billion. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, man. Fundamentals don't matter in this phase of the market cycle. I don't know if fundamentals ever really truly matter in crypto, at least not as much as we think they do. That's a different conversation for a different day. But anyway, everybody's going to eat, okay? Except the people who come in to buy the top, where they're going to be lunch, unfortunately. But anyway, you're here now. You're listening to this conversation at this point in time, and I've got good news for you because you're early enough that you can take massive advantage moving forward. Altcoins are going to be the place to be for the next 3, 6, 12 months, okay? Bitcoin goes up from the current price to 200, 220, 250K maybe. What are you looking at max gains? 100, 150% max, right? And there's people who are going to tell you Bitcoin's going $1 million a cycle. Not going to happen. I'll tell you what, if Bitcoin goes $1 million a cycle, in the wildly unlikely situation when that happens, altcoin's going to go up way more, but that's not going to happen. Bitcoin's not going $1 million a cycle, okay? If it does, I guess great. I'll still be holding my Bitcoin, and I don't even know what to do with myself in that situation. It'll be so much money. Anyway, besides the point, altcoins are going to be the place to be. Look at all these charts we just discussed. Bitcoin dominance falling, total 3 up, total 2 up, the others chart up, everything breaking out at the same time. Altcoins are going to put in gargantuan gains, or we're getting the massive, biggest fake out of our lifetimes and it's all going to zero. One or the other. You'll let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.